indigestion. And yes, Stan, we definitely do. So the next product we have is something I approve of, and it's the Comfy Cone as opposed to those hard plastic ugly things, right, Jay?
Right, and it's easier on your walls.
For sure, and you have a funny story about that, right?
I do. The reason why I said that is because when I got my dog Remy neutered and he wore this big ugly cone, he walked around with it as if it didn't even exist, scraping up the walls as he went along. It got caught in the corner of a table, and he just kind of continued to muscle through it. So having something soft like this is definitely, as I said, easier on your walls.
So we have a model here that's going to demonstrate how nice and more comfortable this is than the regular plastic ones you see on dogs.
All right, let's go to our model. So whenever you plan to put an e-collar on your dog, it's always a good idea to give them some treats so it becomes an enjoyable experience.
All right, so we're going to try it here on Mai, and Mai's being such a good girl, but as you can see, it has different Velcro adjustments depending on your dog's size, and it's much more comfortable and flexible for them.
Good girl. Good